Hi, I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. We have another installation project for you today. This project is a new construction home built by Creative Homes. They build a great quality house, and one of the things they include in many of their homes is a 3-season porch, and that has our Extend porch windows in it. Today is another cold day here in Minneapolis. It is January and it's winter, so you know what to expect from that. We're trying to include as much detail as we can in these videos, somewhat limited by the weather and other factors, but we're trying to get better, and so we'd love to see some comments. Ask some questions. What would you like to see? What could we go into more detail on? We want to make these videos be as helpful for a do-it-yourself or a contractor that's installing these windows. We want to answer any of those questions and make the process as easy as possible. So drop a comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and let's get to it. All right, there you have it. That's another installation completed. The contractor on this one will be adding a weather-resistant barrier, like a Tyvek house wrap, that they'll be adding over top of the exterior sheeting and then taping that around our window flanges. So that's something that we didn't get in the video, but will be added at a later date. Let us know, like I said in the introduction, anything that you'd like to see, additional information and detail that we can include in these videos that would be helpful. We'd love to hear that. But for now, thanks for checking out this video, and we'll see you on the next one.